How to change Spotify plan. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change Spotify plan. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now, if you wish to change Spotify plan and you are trying to do it on the application, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to do it through the application. Spotify doesn't allow you to make any changes on the app. To do so, you'll have to do it on the browser. On your phone or on your desktop, you want to head into spotify.com. Once you're there, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on this page here. You can see accounts tab, right? So here, head over to your profile and there you'll find manage your subscription option. Tap on manage your subscription. You'll be able to find your subscription. So what you want to do is you want to cancel your previous subscription. Once you have canceled subscription, you can purchase a new one. So that is the only way that you can change your subscription. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.